It's a very policy centric universe and not a party centric. And we use that term party to talk about the different parties that are involved in the process. And so when you have that policy centric perspective, then the next place that you then go down the line is then a very process centric perspective. And then so that's okay, when this happens, we're going to look at our flow chart, and our flow chart is going to prescribe all of these things that we have to do. And by the way, legal has approved this flow. The regulators require this flow. Again, a lot of the things that Leslie was talking about. And so again, because we're not thinking about the customer, we're not thinking about the customer experience, we're not thinking about the impact to a household when there's multiple policies and coverages that are involved. We're just thinking about the process. We just go through it in a very robotic way. And then the next question is, how often do we update these things? And then so what you end up with are antiquated processes that just persist over time because they're expensive to change. They're complicated to change. Not very many people know how all of it works together. And then so you end up with a very, again, disconnected experience that doesn't really align to changing and evolving customer expectations. So that I think also too, just to add to Leslie's pieces, I think that's another challenging dynamic. And not until we get to a space where we actually are thinking about really how our products truly impact the customer and prioritize that. I don't see our way out. And it's only really the big carriers that are really starting to even scratch at this. I think the middle tier carriers are the ones that are struggling a little bit.